Hi everyone. Welcome to another video where I will be showing you the trading strategy you should be using to save you a lot of money and also guarantees you a good profit on your crypto trading business. This is Crypto Newsbase, the channel where you discover the truth about cryptocurrency. Let's begin. As per a recent news report, over 10 crore Indians own cryptocurrencies. The number, in all likelihood, may go even higher during this festive season. However, similar to trading in equities and commodities, crypto trading is fraught with risks and pitfalls. In order to get long-term benefits from crypto trading, market enthusiasts need to develop strategies that can make trading fun and safe at the same time. Let us start by going through strategies that can help you get favorable returns. Day trading strategy. This trading strategy involves taking positions and exiting on the same day. The aim of a trader while adopting such a trade is to book profits amid intraday price movements in a cryptocurrency of his choice. For a successful trade, investors often rely on technical indicators to figure out entry and exit points for a particular crypto. Range trading strategy. Market players also rely on experienced analysts, who give out support and resistance levels each day. Resistance refers to the point up to which the price may rise, and therefore a resistance level is a price above the current price. In contrast, support is a level below which a crypto price is not supposed to fall, hence a support level is always below the current price. Scalping trading strategy. This trading strategy involves using increased trading volumes to book profit. Although there is risk involved, a smart trader takes care of the margin requirement and other important rules to avoid bad trading experiences. Scalpers analyze the crypto asset, past trends, volumes, and choose an entry and exit point within a day. High-frequency trading, HFT, strategy. HFT is a kind of algorithmic trading strategy used by quant traders. This involves developing algorithms and trading bots that help quickly enter and exit a crypto asset. Developing such bots needs an understanding of complex market concepts and a strong knowledge of mathematics and computer science. Therefore, it is more suited for advanced traders than beginners. Dollar cost averaging strategy. When it comes to finding the perfect entry and exit point in a crypto market, it is best to assume that timing the market is next to impossible. So, a rather sound way to go about investing in cryptos is dollar cost averaging, DCA. DCA refers to investing a fixed amount at a regular interval. This strategy helps investors do away with the cumbersome job of timing the markets and building wealth in the long term. However, exit strategy could also be tricky in the DCA style. It requires the study of the market trend and understanding of the market cycle. Reading technical charts can also help you exit at an appropriate time. Crypto investors should monitor oversold and overbought regions before taking a call. You can refer to Wazir X Live charts for a better understanding of technical charts of various cryptos. Before we continue on the next point, I'm using this opportunity to invite you to be part of this channel. Please accept my invitation by clicking on the subscription button below. Thank you. Now the next point. Build a balanced portfolio strategy. Crypto trading is still at an evolving stage. While several countries welcome trading in the cryptos, some are still skeptical about it. Central banks across the globe are working on better ways to regulate digital currencies, and therefore, trading in cryptos is often a risky affair. However, there are strategies that can help investors steer clear of extreme volatility. Building a balanced portfolio that includes variety of cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum could go a long way in beating volatility. Besides, investors can also maintain a fixed amount of regular investments in different cryptos. This will increase the risk appetite systematically and will help your portfolio to yield favorable returns in the long term. Avoid making trading calls based on hype. Relying on social media for news on cryptocurrencies is among the mistakes that new investors tend to make. Investment decisions should never be based on hype created on social media. Since digital currency is a hot topic, false information on this topic tends to travel very quickly. Primary research trading strategy. One of the most important trading strategies is to do primary research. You need not be an expert at trading to conduct primary research on the value of the asset you wish to purchase. This involves being updated with all the news flow regarding the crypto industry. Wazir X helps you do that quickly by collating all the news items that you need to read before the start of your day. Besides, you must evaluate your own finances and set an investment goal well before placing a bet on a volatile asset class such as crypto. You can research Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, Ripple, Litecoin, etc. and start investing on Wazir X. Arbitrage trading strategy. Arbitrage refers to the strategy under which a trader buys crypto in one market and sells it in another. The difference between the buy and sell price is known as spread. Owing to the difference in liquidity and trading volume, traders can find an opportunity to book profit. To adopt this opportunity, you must open accounts on exchanges that show a large difference between prices for the crypto that you are trading at. Betting on Bitcoin volatility. It's not news that crypto is among the most volatile asset classes being traded currently. Recently, Bitcoin prices had fluctuated nearly 30% in a single session. You can bet on volatility by trading in Bitcoin futures. The way to go about it is by buying a call and put option at the same instance. The strike price and expiration date must also be similar. To exit, when crypto prices fall or rise vigorously, you must sell the call and put option at the same time too. I hope you have gained something from this channel today. Please subscribe to this channel today and I will continue providing you with the best content in the cryptocurrency niche.